What's up, everyone? This is Forbidden S3 doing a update video. This is going to be pretty much unboxing of my Arashi GTX3076 G2 ball bearing turbo. So generation 2. This thing is really mint. I've been eyeing this turbo for a while. I haven't seen anyone really post any good content on this, at least on this level. So hoping to provide people that information they've been trying to see in regard to this. But yeah, let's give a breakdown. This is the stuff that comes in. All this comes in this one brown box right here, but this is the inlet they give you. Very reminiscent of EQT's inside colors and Blaze's design. Reason why is because it is all from the same company, Zage, or Arashi. All the parent company though is Zage, but Arashi is their retail side of things. But hey, we'll go off of the fact that that's not the case. But yeah, they give you the charge pipes as well. Give you the gaskets, hardware in here. Give you a little goodie bag. Give you all the lines and everything. Now, in all my times of buying turbos from many companies throughout the years, I've never seen a company ever include heat protectant sheets in any of the lines. So that's really nice. It just goes to show that the quality of work they really shoot for towards on these brand of turbos. But everything is right there. But I'll show you what you've all been waiting to see, which is this. So how to open it up, but let's get to it. Here it is. It's all its glory. It was packaged. I kind of opened it before this video, but here's the turbo in all its glory right here. It's the Kuro model from Arashi. I mean, the attention to detail on this turbo is so freaking nice. I've been buying turbos from so many companies throughout the years, and honestly, this is super nice quality. This is the main reason why I bought it, though, was for this back here. Look at this turbine housing. I mean, it looks beefy, stainless steel, same quality as all the EQT turbos, because it's coming from the same place, because it's the same company making it. But look at that. I mean, that looks massive. I'll be doing a side-by-side comparison, but I mean, you can't say that this isn't a great turbo. We got this for a great price for the Halloween sale that was going on for this. But yeah, for the price of what you get and everything and the attention that they put towards these turbos, I mean, how can you hate on a company that's pushing out stuff like this? I think right now you can get it for $1,500 for the Black Friday deals. I paid a little bit less just because I got even a better deal, but even for $1,700 this is comparable to everything out there and more. Anti-surge housing. So yeah, hopefully I can put post more content on this and really showcase you what this will do with Galano's tuning on MPI full 85 on the Pro Turbo. Even tells you right here it's a 3076. That's pretty cool. And I guess I'll show you. This was also included in there. It was in this little envelope right here. So again, they really put attention to detail. But you open it, a bunch of nice little goodies, stickers, balance sheet, stamped everything. They even give you a serial number card that's made out of metal. So it's pretty nice as well. And they give you this little magnet as well that tells you who made the turbo. So I think that's pretty fucking badass, if you ask me. And final note, for those asking, we will be looking to be making between 580 to about 600 wheel or a little bit more on this turbo. Definitely capable of it. Shooting for mid to low 60 to 130s and low 10 quarter miles with running pure 85 flex fuel on Galano's system, fully maxed out, capable fuel system for the stock motor. So we'll definitely see what all this can do and what Arashi can do, and hopefully fill in the gaps that everyone's been waiting for to see from these kinds of turbos. And not the main general name brand of turbos that everyone's always having to buy. And for those of you first tuning in to the channel, the turbo will be going into my car right here, my Audi S3 tuned by Galano. So this is the setup right here. This is where the Kuro will be going onto. I have my Arashi billet manifold, 980cc MPI kit, hood dump. This will be coming off since it comes with its own. It'll just be an open intake. But yeah, it has full supporting mods, intercooler, everything. So I really can't wait to see how this is all going to come together and see what we can really push out of this platform right here and show what Galano plus this turbo and somebody with the balls to push this platform can do. So stay tuned, and hopefully I get to have some good content pushed out to you shortly.